In this video I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning, that is the manual printhead cleaning of your Epson XP7100 printer. We have the printhead just below this section. Now the first step is to unlock the printhead. So we can't move it right now, so you just switch on the printer. So give a copy command, and once you hear the printhead moving, just unplug the printer. Lift this portion and you will see the printhead is already moved. Now we can take the paper out. So just pull it out and you can send this plate back, close it. Printhead is unlocked. Now move it to this side and just remove the ink cartridges. So I'm just going to remove all the 5 ink cartridges. Next step is to remove the side cover. So if you unlock from here, just hold it and unlock it. So remove from this side and then hold it and remove the lock from this side, and that is the last one on that. Now we can just lift it and take it off. Next is to remove the screws. So there are 2 screws here, and we also have to remove this plate from the middle, and then let it come off. Now unscrew all these one by one. Now unscrew these. 1, 2, next our third, and that is the fourth. You can just lift it with your hand. Slowly try to take it out. So if you move it like this, you will see the printhead is here. That's the printhead. Now we can easily unplug it, so just pull it out for this side and also for the other side. That is the printhead of this printer. To clean the printhead, first we will clean it with the dry tissue paper. So you can just clean all the edges. We can see the ink is dried up on the sides. You can clearly clean it from here. Now we can just spray some water on the tissue paper. You can use the cleaning liquid or you can use the distilled water, and then you have to clean it. Once you move it, you will see all the inks showing up here. We will unclog the printhead like this. Do it gently. Once your printhead is completely clean, we can just go back to the main unit. Now let's plug in the cables. So it goes like this. So move it here and then we will connect this side first because it has a shorter cable. And now move it like this to the other side. Make sure it is properly installed. Now we will just plug in this one. So we just installed it both sides. Next step is to just place it back. So let it go in. Just make sure it is in its place. Next step is to put those screws. All the 4 screws will go there. One, two, three, this is the 4th, place this again. So you just have to place this side first and then press it from the other side. In the last, the cover will be placed here. Reinstall the ink cartridges. It's very easy to install. Just place it here. The front will go in first and then the lock side. Second, third, fourth, and the 5th ink cartridge. Close the ink chamber. Plug in the power cable. Go to the display panel. So we have to do the automatic printhead cleaning so that our printhead starts to work. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance option. Select the second option, printhead cleaning. Click on the start. This is the automatic printhead cleaning that will help the printhead to flow the ink so that we can start printing. It may take around 4 to 5 minutes. Printhead cleaning is complete. Let's do the nozzle check. Click on the check and print. Let's check the print result. You can see all the ink cartridges are showing up. That means our printhead cleaning is successful. So we manually cleaned the printhead. In case you see any dotted lines or any missing ink, you just have to click on the X button. It will ask you to clean the printhead to correct the missing dots. Right now everything is showing up properly, so we'll go back and click on the O button and click on the home screen. Let's do a copy test. Color copy. printer is working normal. So this way we can do the manual print head cleaning and we can resume our printing. Thanks for watching.